Chapter 4, Lesson 4, Fraction and Decimal Equivalence. This one will be using a number line. Take a look at number 1. It says, write the decimal and the fraction in simplest form for point B. So we're looking for this one right there. So first we need to count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 lines. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is the 6th line. So as a fraction it is 6/10, but it says simplest form. So reducing 6/10, we're going to get 3/5. And 6/10 as a decimal is 0.6. So your answer for number 1 would be, the decimal is 0.6 and the fraction is 3/5. Number 2, which point represents 5/4? Explain your answer. Well, first, 5/4 is an improper fraction, so we have to change that to a mixed number. Again, this is going back to what we did in chapter 2. We divide the numerator by the denominator, so 5 divided by 4. 4 into 5 goes 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. And your remainder becomes your numerator. Your denominator is going to stay the same. So that's 1 and 1/4. Now this is one that we learned, that 1 and 1/4, or 1/4 rather, as a decimal is saying 1/4 out of 4. So that's saying 1 and 25 hundredths, or 1.25. So now we're looking for this on the number line. So we know it's going to be 1 and something else. So here's your 1. So it's going to be one of these letters to the right of that. So we have 1, 2. D is 2. D would be 1 and 2/10. So right next to D, between these two lines, your answer would be E. Number 3 says, write the mixed number for point H. So we have to count our lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 1. My denominator is going to be 10. And we're looking for H. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 6/10. But that can be reduced to 1 and 3/5. Number 4, which point represents 1.3? Remember, 1.3 is really saying 1 and 3/10. 1, 2, 3. So the letter E represents 1.3, or 1 and 3/10. Let's take a look at the homework page. 1, 2, 3, and 4, pretty much what we did the last lesson. So you just change the fraction to a decimal and see which one is greater than or less than. Number 5 says, write the fraction and the decimal represented by point A. So there's point A. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 total lines. And this one is 1. So 1/5 would be the fraction. Multiply that by 2 so I can have a 10 as a denominator. So that's 2/10, 0.2. So 1/5 and 0.2 would be the answer for number 1. I'm sorry, for number 5. Number 6 says, write the decimal represented by point B. So there's point B, 4/5. I want to try to get my denominator as a 10 if possible, and I can do that here by multiplying it by 2. I get 8/10, which as a decimal is going to be 0.8. That's it for chapter 4. It's a short chapter, and pretty much everything is all together, that if they know how to change a fraction to a decimal and vice versa, then they should be doing okay on the test. Make sure they study their notes and watch these videos to help them, and the test will be given in a few days.